A bag contains 15 beads. 6 are black and the rest are white. 2 beads are drawn at random. So, if there's 15 beads in total, we start off with 6 black, and that must mean 9 white. If we take 2 beads at random, that's the same as taking one, not putting it back, and then taking the second one. So a tree diagram is a really good way to go about this as well. So we've got black and white. Do the same thing here, black, white, black, white. So to get a black the first time is 6 out of 15, and to get a white would be 9 out of 15. Now if we get to here, that means we took a black out. So what does the bag look like now? There would be 14 beads in it, 5 black and 9 white. And that means we'd have 5 over 14 here, 9 over 14 here. If on the other hand we got to here on the diagram, there'd be 14, 6 would be black and 8 would be white. So this will be 6 out of 14 and 8 out of 14. Now let's work out all the probabilities at the ends. So I've got 6 out of 15 times 5 over 14. That gives me 1 over 7 just there. For the next one, it's 6 over 15 times 9 over 14, which is 9 out of 35. The next one is going to be 9 out of 15 times 6 over 14. Which is also 9 over 35. And the final one is 9 over 15 times 8 over 14, which is 12 over 35. And since all the others are out of 35, I might write the 1/7 as 5 out of 35. So the probability of 2 black I can now read off is 5 out of 35. Both being white is 12 out of 35. And at least one white, that means 1 or 2 whites. That means that what I could do is add up these 3. Or the other way of doing it is to take away 5 out of 35 from 1, since this is the only one that has no whites. The probability of all of these things here must add up to 1, because those are the only probabilities. So you could do it by adding the 3 things I circled in green, or doing it as 1 take away 5 out of 35. And so if we quickly do that, 1 take away 5 out of 35, that is 6/7. Now just to show you, if we add the other things, we do get the same result. So if I add up all the ones where there's 1 white or more than 1 white, then we've got 12 out of 35, add 9 out of 35, add 9 out of 35. And we get 6/7.